Ozzie, Microsoft software division had to depart. Redmond-based software giant has always been spearheaded by its former kid Bill Gates. He was also the chief software architect at the company. But after his departure, his successor Ray Ozzie took the charge as the chief software architect. In a recent turn of events, Microsoft has declared that Ray Ozzie will be leaving the company soon after completing tenure of 5 years with the company. In an official email sent to all the employees of the company on Monday morning, the president of the company, Steve Ballmer, publicized this change in the Microsoft software division. He also commented in his email that Ozzie will be staying with Microsoft for an undefined transition period. Microsoft's president Steve Ballmer said that for the time being Microsoft is not finding a substitute at all. Ballmer in his email said that till the time Ozzie is here in the Microsoft, he is planning to concentrate on certain areas of the company, most importantly the entertainment domain, where Microsoft has been investing huge sums lately. According to Ballmer, Microsoft has no definite plans to employ anyone on Ozzie's post. Ray joined Microsoft in early 2005 as a chief technical officer. Microsoft originally bought a company named Groove Networks, which Ray was heading, and because of this acquiring, Ray joined Microsoft. Ozzie is an excellent expert in his work, mainly with the web-based computing. He was the first one at the company who figured out and chalked out a plan that how Microsoft could make its mark in this ever-changing software world scenario, and how can it make its mark towards software that are delivered totally online. Ozzie is also the sole architect in the development of the Microsoft Windows Azure, that is a premier system for developing and building software over the Internet domain. Wes Miller, an analyst for a research group working independently named As Directions, said in a blog post that Ozzie has pushed Microsoft for a faster pace in the software industry in spite of being a senior company in the Silicon Valley. He told them to run at a much faster pace than they could have afforded. According to Wes, it is hard to predict that whether Ozzie was forced to leave the company or he left himself getting tired of the slow pace company tends to follow. Shortly after joining the Microsoft, Ray wrote a very innovative and influential memo backing and supporting a paradigm shift in the company's existing reliance on desktop version of PCS and the correlated software programs. He told that the company should focus on the online software development and an AD-based software archive. So let's see that who will now take over the software division of Microsoft and chalk out the software policy of Microsoft.